pancake. Outside ko lang po.
So the judge told the old man to write down all the things that he said about the guy. And then cut a piece of paper like this. And then on his way out from the courthouse, what he will do? What will he do?
Kakainin niya po. Diba?
Tapon.
Pwede po magkalat?
Yeah.
Pero i-assume nyo, pero i-assume nyo na sa labas ng courthouse, papunta dun sa bahay niya, i-spread nito ha. I-spread ha, ganyan. Okay.
So habang naglalabas siya, palabas ng courthouse hanggang sa bahay niya, nag-i-spread siya ng mga papel. Ganun kadami yung things na sinabi niya.
So, the next day, the judge told the old man, before receiving the sentence, you will have to go out and gather all the pieces of paper that you threw out yesterday. Do you think it's possible? No.
Nope.
Bakit?
Hindi pwede.
Pwede hindi pa rin natin.
Hindi,
Tubel.
Hindi.
Every step na, binababa niya yung ano eh.
Pwede hindi pa rin.
Hindi pa rin.
That's correct.
Pwede may naglinis na.
Yeah, okay.
Umulan na ba?
The damage is done.
Okay, so the old man said, I can't do that. I can't do that. The wind spread them and I won't know where to find them. The judge then replied, the same way simple comments may destroy the honor of a man. Tama?
Yes.
To such an extent that one is not able to fix it. If you cannot speak well of someone, rather don't say anything. It's self-explanatory. Who is not guilty of that? Hold on, ha? So, the character I'd like to talk about a little bit, dahil gusto ko na maglaro, is that old man.